These are the steps that you will take for those that are having issues pertaining Arabic language. So go to your start button, go to settings. After that, go to time and language. Then go to language and region. Then look for administrative language settings. It can be in this icon if your own is window 10. So it can be as the top corner written in blue color. So anyhow, just search for administrative language settings. Then under administrative, go to change system. Look, then change it to Arabic language, Saudi Arabia. So uncheck this one, don't check it, uncheck it, then click OK. So and you will now restart your computer. So the Arabic language will be done. So the second step is that you should open any Excel file. Then, as these tabs, go to developer. If developer is not in the tab here, you can go to file, go to one options, then go to customize ribbon. Then you see developer there. Then just add it. Okay. So if you don't have a developer before, right. Now go to developer, then go to Visual Basic, then go to tools. After that, go to options, then under editor format, on the font, choose this Carrier New Arabic. So change it to Carrier New Arabic, then select OK. So the Arabic will be viewed in the Excel user form like that. Assalamu alaikum.